Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am very surprised and pleased to have an actual finish for you. It feels like forever since I finished a diamond painting and this one has been on the docket for far too long. So let's get this one out. This is a custom of myself and my husband from, well, another lifetime ago, back when we had a pretty regular social life. This was a little selfie. We very often took selfies on the train, and this was a little train selfie that I'd posted on Facebook at some point. And my sister-in-law had it turned into a little diamond painting for us. It came from Amazon, so I've no idea exactly which company produced it. But considering how few colours there are, what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's only 18 colours, and it's only a 30 by 30. Is it a true 30 by 30? I can't remember. Yes, it is a true 30 by 30. But yeah, considering the size and that there's only 18 colours, I'm actually quite pleased with it. From a distance across the room, it reads really well, which is how you're supposed to look at diamond paintings. There are some dubious colours if you look closely. Random little orange one in hubby's mouth, some purple shading on the side of his face. But yeah, I don't hate it at all. I'm actually really pleased with how it came out. I popped a little bit of washi around the edge. I thought that love seemed appropriate. And yeah, I'm really pleased. The drills were not bad. You can see how shiny they are. They're just little round ones. They weren't massively faceted, but I didn't have much in the way of trash. Nothing that I bothered saving to talk to you about. And yeah, didn't have any problems. Had plenty left over. And in fact, one of the things I'm going to do while we chat is... Oh, gosh, can I... Oh, can you get this open then? This is my not spare drills, my leftover drills that I'm not keeping. They tend to be from the cheaper companies or just where there's been a lot of trash and I've decided not to bother keeping them. So yeah, you can see how much I had left over. Loads. Let's leave those out. And yeah, there was no real issue with them. The chances of me wanting to use these over wanting to use some more expensive drills is unlikely. So into my little skull jar they will go. Yeah, I think, obviously, if we're going to nitpick, I always say 30 by 30 is the smallest you should go for 2 faces. So this is grand what it is. I think if we'd gone a bit bigger, obviously you get a bit more detail. But to be fair, it's a very dark picture anyway. I am wearing a black and grey dress. My husband is in a black suit. I've got black hair. He's wearing a black hat. You're not going to get a lot more in this middle section, and in fact there is an awful lot. I don't know if you can really see, but there is quite a lot of 939 through there as well, that darkest navy blue, to kind of just give a little bit of dimension to what we're looking at. It's difficult to show you though, but yeah, in fact looking through the camera it looks even better obviously than looking at it on my desk, because that's giving you a much better distance away from it to work out. Sorry, words aren't happening today. Yeah, diamond paintings are not supposed to be looked at close. It's the long and the short of it, really. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with this when it's filled up. Maybe just use it as a paperweight. Doorstop is pretty heavy. So yeah, I'm trying to remember if this was, I think this was last Christmas, so it's taken me a year, which is ridiculous. that it's just been hanging around. I think because, you know, there were always other new projects, and this one just kept getting put to the side. So that's right, that's all of those in there. So give that a little. When I first started filling this up, I thought that I would do it in nice rows and it would be like one of those sand things with all the layers, but it gets moved around so much that the first few layers got messed up really quickly, and now I just don't bother. So yeah, but it's pretty cool. I think it had a non-alcoholic cocktail in it originally. Then I used it because I made some jam. So this is done well, this little jar. Yeah, so big thank you to my sister-in-law for doing this for me. It was a very nice surprise, and yeah, not too bad at all. I have got one more custom, which I will show you in a future video, and then everything else I've got is off the rack. So yeah, I look forward to showing you my next custom very shortly, and I hope that you're all having a wonderful day. Do try to wrap up warm if you are in the northern hemisphere. It's very chilly here today, and I will see you on my next one. Until then, stay crafty.